Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Nas Ali 602, and today we're going to unbox this tank drum from Estiman. This is the first ever you can touch this tank drum. Unlike this handpan is, but it's different one. Now we're going to unbox this. Let's go inside. What's this? Anyway, this is for my son Ali. It's for you, right? I bought this tank drum for him. Oh, what? Okay.
Man's me.
Oh, it's very cool thing inside. I bought this handpan tank drum for him because I like very much to play the handpan, but the handpan is for me like this.
Yay!
Can you get scissors? Okay, I do it. Okay, I did. Okay, let's open this. This is for you, right? Oh. You wanna open or me? Huh?
You.
Okay. Very first ever to that's this beautiful another instrument. Oh! There's a bag inside, so it's cool.
Finally.
It's cool. There's a bag inside. And also
The drums.
now this I think this manual and the mallet. Yeah, there's a mallet here.
But what about the drums?
Yeah, I want to. Excited?
Yeah.
And after this one, guys, well, you have to compare the sounds of this and also this.
Don't get this. This is bad.
Oh yeah. What? Oh. Put the knife there. I will show you. Put the knife there.
There.
And here you go. Ah. What? So easy. So this is the tank drum. It's similar for the handpan, but this we can compare the sounds of this and the sounds of this. Unlike the tank drum, we can use the mallet.
Faster.
And there's a mallet here. Stick. Anyway, thank you very much for this product from
We brought this from Amazon.
yeah, Amazon and from Estiman. Yeah. How to put this one? I think is oh yeah. Yeah. Put back the knife there. That's okay. You have to try. Cool. It's for Ali. It's for my son, and you can compare the sounds from the handpan. Oh, that's for you, right?
Okay.
Okay. That's cool. Cool instrument. That's very loud. Can you?
It's Undertale.
And here is
Undertale.
so we can music together. You can just hum it.
What about Gravity Falls?
Okay.
Do you know the movie about Gravity Falls?
Yeah, but you can see for the camera about it.
Do you know the Gravity Falls movie?
Okay.
You
And
know
so we can use this one if you want to hit like you can hit your tangdam like. Just use this little things like an ring put in your hands like may try first, okay? May try. Don't use mallet for that. That's different. Oh yeah, this is very cool instrument. You can try. Oh, I love it. I
I'm
love
gonna
it.
keep this in my room.
No, first, you can show your mama. Yeah. I love to play, yeah? Let me see. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
yeah. Can I keep this in my room?
Okay. That's it for the unboxing today, guys. Next for the next video, we have to compare the sounds of this called tank drum and the sounds of this called handpan. We have to compare it. So just wait for the next video. Thanks for watching for this amazing instrument. Thank you. Bye bye.